Good morning. We are headed to LA. Ahí viene mamá, está agarrando algo del garage, papi. So super crazy. I actually got accepted to this workshop thing with POV Beauty. Papá está trabajando también. Sí, no está papá. Se sabe las trocas de todos right here. It's basically going to be a workshop. It's a full day thing, which is tomorrow. But it starts at 10 and I'm 4 hours away. So I'm going to leave Tuesday. That way duermo bien. I get ready con tiempo and you know. So we're making a little trip out of this. My mom and Alessandro are obviously coming as well. My mom's going to be taking care of Milan tomorrow. So I think it should be a fun little trip. So I'm going to bring you guys along. Okay, I just had to come to the POV Beauty headquarters to pick up some product, just because I want to be able to use this tomorrow before doing my glam. Look how cute. This is actually perfect because I've mentioned it to you guys that I'm going on vacation next, well, like 2-3 weeks. And all of these are travel friendly. So it's literally the amp it, the drench it, whip it. Oh my god, my camera's a little my camera's a little dirty, so bear with me. And then the glaze it, and then the drip it. It's my little lens that's like a little foggy, but whatever. I'm excited to use this tomorrow. This is what the glam is looking like right now. I really like it. Monday. I approve. I like how it's coming out. I just need to do my lip combo and add some lashes. Take this out, get dressed. So we're pretty good on time. I was freaking out right now because my phone died while I was filming the makeup glam for TikTok, and when I turned it back on, my footage was gone. I was like, well, that was great because I feel like I woke up earlier, been glamming for a bit and stuff, but it refreshed and it's back on there. So I feel so much better about that. I was freaking out. And I brought 2 different lashes. I just don't want to do anything too crazy for the lashes. I'm not a big lash girl at all, but I brought Subtle by Beauty Creations, which I'm kind of leaning more towards these. And I also brought Itty Bitty by Makeup Shack. I love this style, but I feel like the outer corners get a little long. Also, I didn't end up buying a new outfit. I very much wanted to feel like confident and pretty in whatever I was gonna wear. And when I went shopping, I just didn't find anything in that category. So I was like, you know what? Let me just rewear something that I already have in my closet. I don't really care to be an outfit repeater. I'm a very much proud outfit repeater, so I brought this green dress that you guys have probably seen me wear many times. but it's something I feel very comfy in, and it's like spaghetti strap, a little bit more fitted on the top and then flowy at the bottom. It's just a flowy dress, so for someone who's still trying to feel a little bit more confident in her body, that's something I like. I can't believe I stopped wearing bottom mascara for so long, because now when I wear it, I'm like, this feels so doll-like, very girly. And I have super duper long bottom lashes, so why not embrace it, you know? But yeah, they're definitely longer than my top. Okay, this is what I ended up going with. It is such a cute flowy dress, and like I said, it's just, I feel comfy in it, you know? So I think the hair and makeup kind of brought it together. Now I'm gonna put some glowy product on the dress right now. Okay, paste this on. Put on this glowiness deodorant. I love this thing so much. This is a Cyclar Santal scent. Santal what? Sacred Santal. I'm gonna go in with Bohemian Fig by Josie Moran. Then Somewhere But Nowhere by Lore. And for the crema, also using Bohemian Fig by Josie Moran. I feel like this one is just, this is luxury crema because it makes me hella glowy afterwards. She's a little pricey, but she's worth it. Right now I'm wearing my Havaianas, my brown ones, and I'm kind of tempted to just wear these instead of the sandal heels that I brought, just because you can barely even see my feet, and this is a 10-hour event. But I don't know. But now I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta one. This one I'm kind of just gonna wear here and like on the upper part because I don't want to stain the dress. I'm gonna use the other side. I'm right-handed, so this side is a little hard. I do have actual oil on me too, but I'm scared que se va a manchar. But road spray, this comes through. I like using this even on the body sometimes to give like that glowy skin, because look at that. Obviously it's wet right now, but it comes through. Okay, the middle part was kind of throwing me off. I feel like this part was looking too flat, so I changed it to the side, and I feel like this looks so much more put together. Yeah, I think that's better. And then these earrings are from Mango. Okay, I am officially ready. I'm really, really glad I went with this dress, and I did end up going with these chanclas instead of the Havaianas. And I added some like little toe rings. I feel like, yeah, sí se ve más elegante con las chanclas. But okay, let me go get my Uber because I'm running like right on time. And for me, that's already late. And then I'm going to give you... No, oh God.
You should be excited to meet us.
So cute.
I am. This is what this is all about.
There's a map in here, and then a little card.
Thank you.
And then for the morning headshot. So I'll come find you later and bring you to the headshot room to get that done.
Okay, perfect.
And then yeah, just.
shop space, and we will get started soon.
It is. They were supposed to go bankrupt, but they're like so good.
Oh, that is so tasty.
Incredible in putting this together.
Where's my WWE intro song?
Mikayla, thank you so much for being here.
How can this create something where people want to recommend you to other people?
A little gifting suite right now, so we're gonna be able to choose one of each. I'll show you guys right now. For Genesis?
Genesis, perfect.
Thank you.
And have you ever tried to coach this product before?
Oh yeah, I love it all. I'm wearing this one right here, the pink one. I love that one. Okay, ya vamos a comer. Got potato salad, chicken salad, un sandwich de what is this? Italian?
Italian sandwich.
Italian sandwich. Y una galleta.
Yes, girl.
And a bread.
A comer. Ay,
They're so good.
so,
Potato salad is so good. I love a potato salad.
me too. Ensaladita de papa. Miren.
Then the chicken salad is super flavorful.
A ver qué sabe.
Oh, no, you can sit down.
Por eso estoy como estoy. And then I wonder.
Did you eat already?
Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna do a little overview of this of today. I didn't feel like I didn't really get to get much.
Well, you could just do like a voiceover.
Yeah.
You're like,
Even if it's short.
this is
You
doesn't have anything in there.
Cannoli. And then go to another one, and then you can bite it and just show them the inside. Porque ese no
Eso no
está
tiene
seco.
nada dentro.
Está bien seco.
I might have to get more of the other ones. The other ones are really good. This is just like,
Este es el seco.
yeah.
TikTok, YouTube, and if you need anything, DM.
I'm like looking at everyone's chips. I'm like, what am I gonna want?
El limón en mariscos, sí, pero en desserts, I don't think so.
So she put the top on top of the
I
donut.
put it on top of this instead.
An ounce in there anyways.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's a lot. Yeah.
We are wrapping up this trip, but first we have to get some tierra mía. We cannot leave without getting some. Thank you. Everyone always says to try the horchata one, but I will never switch it up. I like my rice and beans frap. It's what we've been drinking for years, and there's literally nothing like this in Vegas, so why switch it up? Oh my god, it's so good.